Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make wave wrap effect on Capcut. First, click New Project, Add Photo, Add Photo, and next, adjust the duration of photo into 1.4 second. Okay, next, copy the photo and make two copy. 1 and 2. Okay, next you can tap the second photo and tap the overlay. Okay, next after that you can click the or tap the replace and change to another photo, and then like this. Okay, now tap the square for the transition, find slide and select memory 1 and adjust the duration to 0.6 second and then click OK. And now your photo gonna look like this. Okay, but we are not done yet. Next, add keyframe over here and over here, and then change the opacity into 0 on first keyframe. Click OK, and then tap overlay and tap the overlay layer, and then you can add the animation in and find shake one. Okay, shake one now and adjust the duration into 1.4 second. And now we are done. Your video or your photo gonna look like this. Okay, that's the tutorial how to make wave wrap effect on CapCut. If you like the video or if you enjoy the video, you can press like, share, comment and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.